So you need Rice Krispie treats, butter, food coloring, marshmallows, spoons, and eyeball candy, and then a measuring cup, and a pan to put the Rice Krispie treats in. I'm not gonna be talking much in the first part because like the recipe is on the back of the cereal box. But I put my food color in there when the marshmallows started melting and stuff. You will see when I put it in there, and I will talk more at the end. Okay, so you want to butter up your pan for it won't stick to it, and you also want to put butter on your hands for the Rice Krispie treat won't like stick to it. And you can just see me like rolling it up into a ball and stuff. And then after I roll into a ball, I put the candy eyeballs in there. And then my candy eyeballs did not have like the like dots and stuff on there, so I just took some red icing and I just put dots on